Don't know who she is. Some lights lit up. Isn't that nice? Right, we're going to have to wait outside.
Sorry?
Why are you going to have to wait outside?
What says there?
All dogs welcome. No tea on us to... Ah, right. I've been up there.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. That'd make a great walk, wouldn't it? Welcome to the Beckwiths. And we're in Knaresborough today. It's the 29th of November. And we're just going to... It's raining. So we're just having a little bit of a wander around Knaresborough, and then we'll go from. So we've done Knaresborough before, but not at the end of November. Welcome to Knaresborough. Not lit up because it's not night time, which I thought was pretty obvious, but just in case. The Knaresborough Christmas tree, again not lit up because it's daylight. Yeah. Go on, Frodo. You're causing a traffic jam. Another unlit Christmas tree. Don't know who she is. Blind Jack of Knaresborough was born John Metcalfe in 1777. Went on to say he was blinded by smallpox. Looks like Dudley Moore over there. When he's dressed as an elf. Come on, that way, Brody. Brody, it's the butchers. We like the butchers, don't we, Brody? All that meat in there. Dracula. Hello. Right, you said the door now, come on. Good boys and girls, boys. Some lights lit up. Isn't that nice? Right, we're going to have to wait outside.
Sorry?
Why are you going to have to wait outside?
What says there?
All dogs welcome. No tea on us to... Ah, right. How nice is that? Well, he got his coat on as well, see Frodo. Flamingo's tea room.
Yeah, we've been in there. That was quite nice. I think once we've sat outside, haven't we? But not. Yeah. Very nice.
Cobblestones.
Yeah.
What it is, but looks like a man climbing up the wall, made of loops.
I think it is a man climbing up the wall. It's them pretty fine.
not as nice as the pretty lights, so. The old flax mill. In Tudor times, the manufacture of linen began as a cottage industry in Knaresborough, which later became renowned for the finest cloth. The former flax mill, dating from 1808, is the best surviving example of its type. Here, raw flax was heckled, combed by hand before spun and woven at other mills across town. In 2000, after the life of the industrial use, the building was transferred into a contemporary art gallery. Have you seen a bird flying out outside of that house?
I haven't seen that. Walk round there.
Wherever you want to walk. I remember when I first filmed in this castle and it went something like this, which makes you all feel really dizzy. I learnt not to do that anymore.
Yeah. And then you can come out there, can't you? That's about it.
I've been up there.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. That'd make a great walk, wouldn't it? Going down would be alright, coming back up would be a bit of a pain. Winter opening times. Wednesday to Saturday, 10 AM till 3:30 PM. You know what? You did not like the budgies? I mean pigeons. Right, we're making our way back to the car now. Short and sweet video. It's raining. We're just gonna go back to the car, get back to Vans, chill out for the rest of the day. I can edit some videos. I've got to edit a video from when I were away last time that I haven't done yet, so I'll do that this afternoon. And then you can be watching that whilst we're away this time. But for now, if you've liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't done already, you can subscribe. That's great. It helps the channel grow. If you do subscribe, remember to the notification icon. That way you get notified next time we put a video out. Goodbye.
I remember the days, all those years ago that never fade away. And I remember your face when you hit the ground. I can recall the time and place on a midnight walk through the old streets, trying to turn back the clock to the days of old, back to the days when all the things we knew were made of gold. As the world moves on, time sings a song. In the old neighborhood, as the clock strikes one, memory lives just as it stood.